Whoa, whoa. Hey, hey. Watch me transform like a bumblebee. Yeah, I love it where I'm at and where I'm gonna be. New Balance now, not talking kicks. Got enjoyment in the process, what is this? Watch me transform like a bumblebee. Yeah, I love it where I'm at and where I'm gonna be. New Balance now, not talking kicks. Got enjoyment in the process, what is this? Yeah, I'm living in the present. I ain't talking boxes. Humble and so confident, avoid being obnoxious. Living with a balanced life, yeah, the best version. Learning how to overcome, present it with diversion. I've been known to throw some fits, crying like a toddler. Got him wife I lean on, thankful that I got her. I ain't nothing by myself, it's all about the team. Yeah, precise and calculated like a waiting triple beam. That time say I wanna leave, humble's where my dreams are. Easy low-key life, we surrounded by them green farms. House of grass on the other side. I made mistakes, but I wouldn't want no other life. So I picked the skin, checking if it be real. I'm just trying to stay humble, so you know the me's deal. Catch your boy up in church, it's a staple. Praying with the little ones, especially at the table. Watch me transform like a bumblebee. Yeah, I love it where I'm at and where I'm gonna be. New Balance now, not talking kicks. Got enjoyment in the process, what is this? Watch me transform like a bumblebee. Yeah, I love it where I'm at and where I'm gonna be. New Balance now, not talking kicks. Got enjoyment in the process, what is this? Had the freezer burn, motivation to chill. Off and on for years, but I'm feeling that I'm new still. Music's always been the it's always been a staple. Eyes on the triple crown, finally out the stable. Only I can stop me, yeah. Jesus be my jockey, yeah. Wifey's by my side, just like Adrian Milwaukee, yeah. No quit like Apollo Creed. Y'all please follow God before you follow me. I got the New Balance, and I ain't talking shoes. Now I'm all pumped up like I got the juice. And I can tell you where I've been, where I'm now, and where I'm pointing. Feeling happy, healthy, holy like I've been anointed. Sign of the cross is my gang sign, get it right. We trying to spark positivity, so let it light. I got the smirk when I'm sizing up. Now things are getting done, cause I went and wisened up. Watch me transform like a bumblebee. Yeah, I love it where I'm at and where I'm gonna be. New Balance now, not talking kicks. Got enjoyment in the process, what is this? Watch me transform like a bumblebee. Yeah, I love it where I'm at and where I'm gonna be. New Balance now, not talking kicks. Got enjoyment in the process, what is this?
Welcome one, welcome all to another episode of Serious Crypto. I'm your host Brett Breeze, and guys, I can feel it. Can you feel it in the air? It's happening. Everything that we knew would happen, the markets are totally green. Everything is stabilizing. Bitcoin is getting ready to bust through the $9,000 mark, and the lending platforms have completely pivoted to this staking and long-term staking, guys. THORN, LOOPX have just led the way, guys. Wow. So we went from 2 weeks of just being doom and gloom to some of the biggest platforms making some huge pivots, guys. LOOPX. Let's go to Telegram right now. LOOPX came out. Let's take a look at LOOPX. So they said, we made it. The waiting period is finally over. The last few weeks weren't easy, guys, and we know that. With the biggest market correction in almost all history of Bitcoin, but certainly in the history of the crypto market, we pushed through. We held tight, and now the depression/correction is over. We can look forward to 2018 with such confidence. And that has been the word at the beginning of the year. Everybody knew that 2018 was going to be just wild, guys. But we were hit. Us being newbies in the game, we didn't recognize that the market does this every year. I looked at graphs that show the last 4 years that the market takes a huge dip in the first couple of months of the year. So, wow, we didn't know what to believe. There was a lot of things going on with government crackdowns in China and overseas and here in the States. Things were getting wild. So it goes on to say that almost being certain that the crypto community will be even bigger and stronger, thus benefit even more in 2018 than it did in 2017. And we all know 2017 was pretty sweet there towards the end of the year. It says at 3 p.m. today, LOOPX will go live. So they are live, guys. You are now able to start your journey of great, stable, passive income with us. I like that. Okay, that's the kind of message that we are bringing here on this channel. All right, at Serious Crypto. It is exciting. All right, it's a journey, and it's going to be stable and passive income, guys. I love that. Just a quick reminder, it is not necessary to buy your loan at the exact time. You will get the special 8% loan interest rate of the 9th of February. If you buy a loan within the first 9 hours, we are live. At midnight, the new interest rate will take place. So it says, any questions, contact the admins on the Telegram chat. So great communication, guys. They also say that they deactivated 2FA just for a little bit while they do the first part of lending. So not a big deal there, I don't think. THORN coin, they were supposed to come out with an update. They said right here, it says with everything that has happened in the lending space in the last few weeks, they rebranded, guys. They rebranded from lending and staking to staking and long-term staking, okay? So THORN leading the way in innovation, guys. We are all pioneers, and I just want to say thank you to everybody that has stuck with us here in the last 3 months. It's been a rough ride, guys. It was highs and lows. It's been a huge roller coaster ride. Everybody lost a lot of faith in crypto and shook a lot of the weak hands out, guys. But those that have remained strong, I feel that we're going to be rewarded here in the near future, guys. So I wish the best for everybody that has money in any of these platforms. I wish you guys all the best. So it says they went on to say that we will launch a promo version of our long-term staking by tomorrow, and I hadn't seen anything with that. You guys let me know if you've seen anything with that. Some of the big things that these companies are doing, thanks to the pioneers of this industry, guys. That is us. All of us with a YouTube channel and a community behind us. Okay, we have been unhappy with the way things have gone since the way of BitConnect. Okay, so there has been a huge movement in this lending and staking platform, in the lending and staking industry here that we're in, guys, that we have spoken up as a people. We've come together and we have let these platforms know that they've got to change, and we have been demanding change, and look what they're doing now. Now they're going to pay out. The first 30 days are going to get paid out in Bitcoin. Okay, that's with LOOPX. And then we got THORN right here doing their staking. Okay, huge staking platform for THORN. Okay, I know guys that have already done their first initial 7 days in THORN, and were able to make tokens. So BITAI has been quiet, guys. The last update I received from them was back here on February 3rd. They sent out an email and they posted it on this here about the wallets, saying that there was a bug in the wallet. So I personally think that BITAI I am very bullish on BITAI. I mean, I have a lot invested. I believe the most I've invested in any platform is with BITAI, and I believe they are pivoting themselves, guys. They are in a position right now where THORN and LOOPX have kind of set the bar. So with that being said, and even Monex, I've been hearing some things about, or not Monex, but NumIV. I heard NumIV is going to pay 50% Bitcoin, 50% tokens for a little while, and that's great. So I believe BITAI has gone dark a little bit, just trying to pivot themselves, being able to match the competitiveness of LOOPX, THORN, and NumIV. So super exciting news, guys. CHRYSOS, everybody is still, there's such a great following behind CHRYSOS, and they have such a golden opportunity, no pun intended, but they have been dark from the word go, and I bet CHRYSOS to be a fly on the wall in those meetings that they're having, I mean, I bet they are just sweating, figuring out a way to save this, guys. So I hope that they are pivoting as well and trying to make things get to the exchange, because CHRYSOS still has a huge following. A lot of us are heavily invested in CHRYSOS and hope the best for everything. But with that being said, we are not going to let one platform make us or break us. You know, you've heard the adage of don't get married to one platform, and that's the thing. We are not going to let one of these platforms make us or break us. We will constantly be pushing forward and just trying to get these hits, guys. It's an exciting time. Bitcoin, wow, it broke through the resistance, guys. There was some resistance right here that I was seeing. A lot of people were saying that 8,000 mark was having a lot of resistance. Let's look at the 1 day here. So let me show you right here. So it was this right here. There was a lot of resistance right in here, and we'll go to the 7 day and take a look at it here. So it drops down right here, the real low drop, and we got right up here and we were just struggling to get past there, and then all of a sudden we broke through. This was the tip point right here, guys. We were trying to see if we were going to break past right here, and we did right here, bam. And once we broke past that, it dipped down real quick, scared everybody, I think, again, and then it just took off. Scared some people right here, but this is a good solid trend right here, guys, in the upwards trajectory. So super excited. I think we've regained control of the staking platforms. What else do we got to talk about? Things are just looking tasty, guys. The market is completely green. I mean, I think the confidence of investors, the market cap went up. Look at, we're at 444. That's a great solid number. 34% BTC dominance, guys. I mean, that goes to say a lot about the rest of the market. Ethereum doing great. Look at the bull run of Ripple. Ripple has locked arms with some huge companies, guys, trying to really be the main currency of cross-border currencies exchange. But with all these tokens, you know, it really is you're able to move a lot of tokens. So I heard some news from the Winklevosses. If anyone knows anything about them, their claim to fame was in the whole Facebook debacle. They were part of the inception of Facebook, and then Mark Zuckerberg actually settled out of court with them for an undisclosed amount. But the bottom line is their family is a lot of rich businessmen, and them themselves are very rich and educated businessmen. So they have been just bull rushing the whole entire community that they're involved in, and really pumping up cryptocurrencies. They are heavily invested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and they've been spearheading the way, trying to get a lot of the rich involved in this crypto and out of investing in gold, trying to persuade them that Bitcoin is the gold, is the future of gold. So it's going to be interesting, guys. I believe our store of value of gold is upwards of $7 trillion. So I heard a report today that they were talking about Bitcoin skyrocketing all the way up to $225,000, guys. And they said that it wasn't far-fetched to be there by 2022. So 2022. So I was just like, wow. And they were adding all the numbers. They were telling me what the market cap would have to reach for it to get there. And it was an astronomical number. But, guys, this crypto stuff has not gone mainstream yet. Literally, there's 1 out of 10 people that are invested in cryptocurrency. And then most of the people have heard of Bitcoin but haven't heard of anything else. I mean, this has not gone mainstream yet, guys. So this is an exciting time to get involved in it. So I'm hoping I'm hoping these staking and lending platforms can help us new guys get involved, get some capital up and running so we can get our Bitcoin guys stocked away, start making a little stockpile of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So super exciting news over here at Serious Crypto, guys. Gotta give a shout out to all the subscribers, guys. I'm up to 45. Been doing this for 2 weeks now, guys. We're on a bull run here. I'm super excited. The view count, I'm still trying to get my views up. This CHRYSOS alert on the strategy that we're trying to do, guys, has been a huge hit. Getting a lot of great comments on there. I mean, 1.3K views in the last 4 days. That's huge for me here. Really getting some good feedback on Real Presence. My buddy with the opening music, he's doing a great job. Got him excited. He's looking to get more songs on Spotify for everyone. So I'm gonna leave links, guys. This is going to be an opportunity for those that haven't got into CHRYSOS. You can use the link and you can get in, guys. If you haven't got into LOOPX, it is a perfect opportunity. I can leave a link. You guys, you can go in there and buy LOOPX tokens with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Okay, they are doing a huge service to new members. Okay, people in the ICO can't lend right now, and they're giving these kind of interest rates. Let's look. Let me go back here real quick. They are giving crazy interest rates. Let's look at the dashboard here. Right here, guys. They are starting with 8%. Okay, that was for today. Okay, then they're going to 6. 5, 4, 5, 6, and who knows, they might hit us with 10 right here. Not us, you guys, the new users, the ones that got in the ICO. We got to wait till the 16th to jump in here, but that's okay. So I'm gonna drop a link in the description. You guys can sign up and take advantage of these huge interest rates, and they're gonna pay you in Bitcoin for 30 days. That's another thing. The people that got in on the ICO, they're only gonna get Bitcoin payouts for 23 days. You guys are going to get a full 30 days. Okay, so that is super exciting news. THORN coin, you know, THORN coin, we're waiting for it to hit. I've got some tokens in the Ether RC20 wallet. Sorry, having a hard time speaking there. Got some tokens in LOOPX over in my my ECR20. So super excited. CHRYSOS, you know, they're still paying out, guys. They're still paying out right here. Things are going good. I locked in some more money in a loan just for the fact that I wanted to get this built up more and didn't want those tokens just sitting. So I'm waiting to get this built up right here, and when it launches, possibly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to use this money right here to purchase tokens at a lower rate of $14. I just don't see people buying them for $14 except special people right here that hit the withdrawal button and use this money right here to buy $14 tokens. Those are the only people that want to buy tokens that way. So that's why we said our strategy was to just let this keep adding up, and then we're gonna buy on the exchange. We're gonna transfer this USD into tokens and help propel that exchange, whether it be here or an external exchange. So let's be ready for that. CHRYSOS, if you hear us out there, you guys better step your game up, because you've got a lot of people that are very bullish on you, waiting for things to pop. Start communicating with us, and it's all into there. It's all up to them now, guys. So super exciting. Bitcoin, let's hit the refresh, see if it went to 9K since we've been talking, and it's kind of flattening out right there. It's going to be maybe 9K is the next mark that we're going to struggle with, but we're going to get there, guys. Okay, so with that being said, I hope everyone has a great night. Okay, it's happening. The cryptocurrencies are getting wild. All right, if these hands could talk, they'd have you all sitting Indian style with a bug juice. Okay, it's happening, guys. So spread the good word. All right, please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, share these videos. Let's keep the energy flowing, guys. I'm Brett Breeze for Serious Crypto. We'll talk to you tomorrow.